Hi, and welcome to today's training. By now, you already understand what remote work is, the top skills in demand, and the tools you need to get started. But here's the truth, having skills and tools is not enough. Having skills and tools is not enough if you don't know how to manage your time. Remote work gives you freedom, but without discipline, that freedom can turn into laziness or wasted hours. Today, I will show you simple but powerful time management tips that can make you more productive and reliable to any client. Why time management matters in remote work. When you work remotely, no one is watching you. Client only cares about results, not how long you sit in front of a laptop. If you can't manage your time well, you miss the deadline, lose clients, and at the end, you end less. Imagine a client gives you 3 tasks in a week. If you don't plan, you may rush at the last minute and deliver poorly. But if you break them into smaller daily steps, you will deliver on time and build trust. Common time wasters in remote work, multitasking, trying to do everything at once. It doesn't work that way. When you're trying to do everything at once, it slows you down. The second one is distraction. Let's say social media or normal constant phone calls. Not knowing what to do first leads to wasted time. Once you're conscious of these things, you'll be productive than every other beginners. You will look more professional than other beginners that are just starting. Simple time management techniques you should know. Number one, set daily priority. Set daily priorities. It means you start with the most important tasks. Out of all the tasks, you bring out the list of tasks you're supposed to do. Every morning, write down the 3 important things you must complete that day. Even if you do nothing else, finishing those 3 tasks means your day was productive. For example, now, as a virtual assistant, your most important task could be to reply client's email, update calendar, and send weekly reports. Then make sure you do those tasks that day, that same day. And the second one is use time block. Now you can divide your day into sections. For example, you can say 9 to 11 a.m. is for deep work, 12 to 1 p.m. is for learning, 2 to 3 p.m. is for email. Once you are doing this, it will prevent you from being scattered or trying to multitask. Give yourself time. Time yourself an hour. Even if it's 2 hours, after 2 hours, you go to the next task. Now, for example, you're doing data entry. Block out 2 hours with no phone call or social media until that task is done. Just block 2 hours. Or you use this popular method. You work for 25 minutes straight without pause. Then after the 25 minutes, you take another 25 minutes break. Then you continue doing it like that for another, for like, let me say you go for 4 rounds. After that 4 rounds, then you start again. Maybe 15 minutes you walk, then 15 minutes break. The way you use that method, you won't feel stressed or you won't feel burnt out. For example, now while writing a spreadsheet, set a timer for 25 minutes. Work fully focused. Focus on your work and do that work for 25 minutes. Then after that, you go back and rest for another 25 minutes. Then by the time you're coming back to resume your work again, you'll be more relaxed and refreshed. That is how you, if you can discipline yourself that way, you won't feel burnt out. You won't feel tired. And the fourth is weekly planning with calendar. Don't just plan day by day. Use Google Calendar or or a notebook to plan your week. Assign specific day for a specific task. This way, you'll be able to meet up with deadlines. For example, now Monday, admin tax, Tuesday, design, Wednesday, learning. I hope you're getting it. And lastly, create a morning routine. Your first hour sets the tone for the whole day. Don't start your day by scrolling on social media or trying to do other things. Instead, plan your tasks, check your calendar, and start with the most important one for that day. Just as I said in our last class, it's not about the tools. Your discipline matters a lot. Do what you planned. Even if you don't feel like it, even if you feel tired, just do it. Create a boundary. Tell your family and friends when you're working so they don't distract you. Create a boundary. And lastly, be consistent.